Hey everyone, welcome back to Online Tools Master. Today we're diving into another amazing tool, the string splitter. As part of our world's simplest string tools series, this free online tool lets you split strings into multiple substrings with ease. Let's explore how it works and see it in action with 6 different examples. First up, let's look at the split by a character option. Here we'll use the space character to split a string into individual words. As you can see, each word is neatly printed on its own line. Next, we'll use the split by a regular expression option. In this example, we're using the regex D, which means split by one or more digits the result. We get substrings separated by digits. Moving on, let's try split and join by another symbol here. We're splitting the string by the character X and then joining it back with the character Y. Effectively, all occurrences of X are replaced by Y. Now, let's split a phrase by length. We've set the length to 6 characters, so each substring is exactly 6 characters wide. Notice the last line only has 2 characters because the string length isn't evenly divisible by 6. For our 5th example, we're splitting a binary string representing the word hello into 5 equal parts. Each part is 8 bits long, making it easier to see the binary representation of each letter. Finally, let's wrap our substrings in brackets. We'll split an idiomatic expression using the regex S and then enclose each word in square brackets. This makes each substring stand out clearly. And that's a wrap on our string splitter tutorial. For more tips and tricks, check out our recent videos on find and replace text and join multiple strings. You can find the links in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Tools Master. Your support helps us bring you more awesome tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.